I'm Michael, and I'm going to show you some fibers. Here are the fibers. First, we're going to do these smoke bombs, the blue one and the yellow one. Then we're going to do the fun color snakes, TNT, and magic colored snakes, TNT. Okay, we're going to start with the yellow smoke bomb. Okay, so we're going to put it on the ground. Now, wait, no, over here. Now, keep that there. Kind of light it on that wire thing. No, see what happens. It's blue. Orange. Look at that. That's the smoke bomb. It's pretty awesome. I mean, I got quite a couple of them. Cool, it started blue. That's cool, it started blue. Oh, it's a tornado. Okay.
Oh, man, that stinks. That really stinks. Filling the garage. Oh, Mike.
Now we're going to do the blue one.
I never smelled them that bad. Oh. Yeah, I guess so.
We're going to do the blue one that really stuck.
The blue one. Oh, my God. I don't want it to roll under the car, man. Oh,
crap.
He's right. Oh, no. It's going in the garage.
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, no.
Woo.
Ooh.
Dude, that was a good one.
That one's done. Break out the snakes quick.
Okay, I'll get the snakes.
We don't want people to get bored.
The magic colored TNT snakes.
You guys aren't bored yet, are you? All right.
They're not. It's
no.
Cool. Okay.
All right.
Gonna do the first one. There's 5 in each pack.
There we go.
I wonder how it looks. I never did these.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, right.
No.
My dad's kidding. He likes.
Oh, that one.
That one's weird.
Why do these take longer to light than the other ones? Are they wet?
Oh, the smoke, I think. I think it means green colored smoke.
Maybe.
I don't really get that.
I don't either.
Yeah, I think
what's going on there?
Smoke's green, so. What is it?
Oh.
Magic colored.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can do 2.
Green.
We're gonna do 2 at a time.
All
I
right.
can't go. And then we'll do 1 again.
Yeah, that's done, right? Let's
yeah, that one's done. It's the Living Dead. Play that one. Okay, it's good. Yeah. Do the other one.
Oh, there's another one there.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let's put them together.
Yeah.
That'll light it.
Woo-hoo!
Oh, they're joining together. Look at that.
Oh!
It's a double snake.
Oh!
That's kind of cool. What if you lit the whole package? Got a big, fat, 5 snakey.
The paper, it would like break open, and
stay away,
it would be full of
I don't know how hot that is, but it's weird. It makes stains the driveway.
It's blue.
So if you're gonna light these, and you have a nicely, freshly blacktop driveway,
I would do it in the street.
you probably want to do it in the street or something.
Yeah. We're gonna paint it in a couple days or something.
I don't know what
in a
that
month.
does. It looks like oil on the driveway. You know?
Now we're gonna do. Wait, no, Dan. One on top of the other.
Oh, there we go.
I never did that before. It might. Like,
maybe it'll be a longer one then. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's what you do. Or maybe it'll move. It'll fall off. Maybe
no,
it'll
do
light.
the other one now.
Oh, what the heck?
Do it longer.
We're having trouble here. Just light the whole thing, huh? Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. It's explosion, man.
No, do the other one, Dad. The other one isn't going.
It is. Oh, what the heck? Look at that. It even went out, guys.
Holy! Holy! Well, that is weird. Oh my God.
It is working.
Extra one's coming out for some reason. What's a poo? Yeah, literally.
Oh, look at it. Oh.
And And you're probably wondering what they are. It's ash. We made it ash.
That's it?
That's the whole pack.
Alright, yep, now
You can hold them,
we're
Anthony.
going to do this one.
We're going to do the
What happened
fun
to the ball?
TNT color snakes.
We smoked
That
them
one
already.
might be better. Because that one was brown, this one is blue.
You want to do one more? So Mommy can see a smoke bomb?
Yeah, okay.
No, like...
After this, we're going to get this.
Okay, watch out, Anthony.
Can you move it? Okay, I'll go and get one. Sorry.
Look, these take a long time to light.
Guys, we're gonna do an extra smoke bomb. It's purple or green.
Cute.
My mom's getting it, so it's like
You want
a
to put
secret
this one next to it?
I don't get that one either. It's supposed to be magic color snakes, so.
I don't...
Oh, it's like.
It must just be the smoke, because...
It's probably the
Is
smoke.
it green? Look.
Yeah, the smoke's green. I'm gonna throw. Dad, this is the ultimate challenge. 3 by each other like this. Not the regular way.
Alright, ready?
Light all of them, Dad. Not one at a time, all of them at once. Try to do that. Yeah, the middle.
Should we light the smoke bomb at the same time?
Oh, my mom got a green smoke bomb. That's gonna be cooler. So, come on. Oh, they're starting. No.
These are really hard ones to light. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Once they get going.
Oh, that is fast. Looks like a snake.
It's like a cobra. Cool. Did you see it? It was
Oh
like
yeah,
shaped like a cobra.
the head. It's like a cobra.
Put the videotape.
Oh, it stinks.
Anthony,
Ow.
put the other.
It's awesome. Look at that. Living dead.
Should we light the smoke bomb?
It's living
Light
dead.
Mike, look. Smoke bomb.
They're everywhere. Living dead. Oh, come on.
Oh, man. What's wrong with the lighter?
Do the fire.
Don't touch my. No.
Can you light the fire, Dad?
Oh no. What do we do?
We'll just let it roll. That's all right. It's kind of cool when it rolls.
Oh, it goes in a car, maybe.
Yeah, no, we'll film that.
That one.
Oh, look at that pass it made on the driveway.
Is it staying? No.
No, you'll paint it.
Cool, look at it.
Dad, light
Oh,
the.
it's cool.
Dad, light the paper.
These were the
No.
best.
Okay, should we turn it off now, Mike?
Yeah,
Can
say
you light the
goodbye.
paper,
Then tell them
please?
say goodbye now.
Dad, light the paper.
No.
Okay.